Introducing the Degelman Hy-Roller, simple, robust, and built on a drop-the-pin-and-go mentality. It's the land roller that's changing the game in reliability, efficiency, and performance. Choose from 910 or 1070mm drums tailored for your operation, whether it's rolling after seeding, smoothing hayfields, or managing residue. No matter the crop or conditions, Hy-Roller delivers a clean, even finish across your paddocks. What sets it apart? True greaseless technology. Over 95% of pivot points require no daily maintenance. That means more time working, less time servicing. Degelman has engineered every hinge and connection with durability in mind, so you can focus on results, not repairs. It's fully hydraulic, hitch, float, end wheel turning, and simple transitions between field and transport modes. There are no trusses, swing arms, or cross joints, eliminating common wear points and making it one of the lowest maintenance rollers on the market. Folding is fast and safe. Drive forward to fold, back up to unfold. No complex setups or manual locking pins. Transport width is just 3.8 meters and transport height stays under 4.1 meters, giving you confidence on the road. The frame is extreme duty, built for long days and rough terrain. A Pro Till style 50mm hinge handles the stress without compromise, and the articulated hitch ensures the roller hugs the ground with every pass, reducing missed spots and improving compaction. Hy-Roller pushes down rocks, flattens clods, and crushes residue for better seed-to-soil contact. That leads to stronger emergence, better water retention, and ultimately higher yields. And when harvest time comes, the smoother surface helps reduce grain loss and wear on your combine. Whatever your crop, canola, cereals, legumes, or hay, the Degelman Hy-Roller is built to give you the edge. Engineered tough, transport easy, roll smarter, drop the pin and go.